In the hush before dawn, a shadow slices across the horizon, razor sharp, unseen, unstoppable. It is not just a machine, but a declaration. The birth of India's most ambitious combat aircraft yet, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA. A creation born of vision, necessity, and the relentless pursuit of aerial supremacy. *******, origin story, *****, at the turn of the 21st century, India faced a moment of truth. Its frontline fighters IG-29s, Mirages, Jaguars had served valiantly, but time was eroding their edge. Across its borders, new stealth fighters were taking shape. China's J, Russia's Su-57, and Pakistan's plans to acquire fifth-generation platforms. India could no longer afford to rely on imported air power. It needed something its own, modern, stealthy, and capable of both defending and deterring. Thus began the AMCA program, an indigenous effort to leap from fourth-generation technology into the rarefied realm of fifth-generation stealth fighters. The idea was not to build just another aircraft, but a national capability, the fusion of stealth, power, precision, and independence. By mid-2020s, after years of design studies and concept validation, India formally greenlit full development. The AMCA would become the cornerstone of a new era in Indian aviation. *****, design and engineering, ****, stealth is not an accessory for the AMCA-8, is its soul. Every contour, every angle, every material has been shaped to cheat radar and deflect detection. The aircraft's diamond-shaped trapezoidal wings merge smoothly into a slender fuselage. Twin canted vertical tails and all-moving stabilators sculpt the jet's invisible profile. Air intakes curve in an S shape to hide the engine face from radar reflections, while radar-absorbing materials coat the body in an invisible armor. Composites make up nearly 40% of the structure, giving it strength without weight. The cockpit is pure 21st century minimalism. A wide-angle canopy for visibility, a panoramic touchscreen display, and digital flight control systems integrated through fly-by-wire technology. Every system speaks to the next, and artificial intelligence assists the pilot with decision-making and mission management. At its heart lies an indigenous active electronically scanned array, radar capable of tracking dozens of targets, even amidst heavy jamming. The jet's sensor suite includes infrared search and track systems, advanced data links, and a fusion of radar and electro-optical sensors that turn the pilot's helmet into a panoramic battle theater. It is not just stealth by shape, but stealth by intelligencing everything while being seen by none. *****, engines and power, the AMCA's twin engines are the muscle behind its stealth. The first production block, known as AMCA Mark I, will use powerful afterburning turbofans derived from the American GEF 414 engine. Each produces around 98 kilonewtons of thrust with afterburner, propelling the aircraft beyond Mach 2 over 2,600 kilometers per hour. Later, the AMCA Mark II will receive an indigenous high-thrust engine, co-developed for true strategic autonomy. This power plant aims for over 110 kilonewtons per engine, giving the aircraft supercruise capability sustained supersonic flight without afterburner. With a ceiling above 55,000 feet and a combat radius exceeding 1,600 kilometers, the AMCA is designed for long reach and quick response. Its climb rate and thrust-to-weight ratio promise breathtaking agility, allowing it to soar, roll, and strike faster than the enemy can react. ****, weapons and systems, ****, the AMCA is a multi-role predator, equally comfortable in air dominance or ground strike. Inside its concealed weapon bays, it carries air-to-air missiles like the indigenous Astra series, precision-guided bombs, and standoff munitions for deep strikes. When stealth is not a priority, it can mount heavier payloads, extra guided bombs, or even anti-ship and cruise missiles. In total, its internal bays can carry around 1,500 kilograms of ordnance, while external hardpoints can add several tons more. Integration plans include next-generation weapons such as hypersonic glide munitions and advanced anti-radiation missiles. The avionics are state-of-the-art AESA radar, electronic countermeasure pods, and advanced communications systems for secure the AMCA's brain fuses all incoming data radar contacts, infrared detections, satellite links in to one seamless picture. The pilots no longer interprets chaos. They see clarity, direction, and dominance. Asterisk combat and operational prospects asterisk though the AMCA is yet to enter service, its role in India's aerial doctrine is already mapped. In the coming decades, it will form the backbone of the Indian Air Force's stealth fleet, replacing older fourth-generation aircraft and complementing the existing Su-3 OMK is Rafales and Tejas fighters. In simulation exercises, its concept has proven capable of first look. First shot, advantage detecting and neutralizing enemy aircraft before being tracked itself. It is engineered to breach advanced air defenses, operate in contested airspace, and escort strike packages deep into hostile territory. The aircraft's networked architecture allows it to act as a command node, linking with drones, early warning aircraft, and surface forces. It will not fight alone. It will lead, coordinate, and dominate a centerpiece in India's vision for integrated, network-centric warfare. Asterisk tactics and doctrine asterisk the AMCA is designed to fight in silence. Its tactics revolve around invisibility and precision approach, undetected, strike surgically, and disappear before the enemy understands what happened. In air-to-air combat, pilots will exploit its stealth and sensor fusion to engage opponents from beyond visual range, firing before detection. In air-to-ground missions, the AMCA's internal payload and stealth profile allow it to slip past radar networks, destroy key assets, and pave the way for less stealthy aircraft. In doctrine, it represents the shift from sheer numbers to technological overmatch, from reactive defense to proactive dominance. The AMCA pilot is not just a flyer, but a systems commander, orchestrating drones, missiles, and other aircraft as extensions of their will. Asterisk comparison with rivals asterisk. How does it stand against its rivals? Against China's Chengdu J-20, the AMCA is smaller and lighter, designed for multi-role flexibility rather than pure long-range interception. While the J-20 benefits from operational maturity, the AMCA's advantage lies in its compact stealth, modular design, and cost efficiency. Compared with Russia, ICSU Gojunana, the AMCA's radar cross-section is expected to be lower, though its engine power and weapons load may initially lag. But where it truly stands out is its future-proof adaptability and open architecture that allows rapid upgrades and software evolution. India is not seeking parity. It seeks sovereignty, the ability to build, modify, and deploy a fifth-generation aircraft entirely on its own terms. Asterisk modern relevance, and the road ahead asterisk. The AMCA program represents more than technology, it represents transformation. India's defense ecosystem, once dependent on foreign suppliers, now embraces private industry, public enterprises, and a new generation of engineers. 5 prototypes are planned for testing, with production to follow in the early 2030s. Future variants will go beyond what is visible today. Directed energy weapons, loyal wingman drone integration, and perhaps even optional unmanned operation. A navalized version could one day launch from aircraft carriers, extending India's stealth reach across the oceans. In an age of rising regional tensions and rapid modernization, the AMCA is not a luxury, it is a necessity. It ensures that India will never again be technologically outpaced in its own skies. Emotional reflection asterisk. When the first AMCA rolls onto the runway and ignites its engines, it will be more than the start of a test flight. It will be the sound of a nation finding its wings, an echo of every engineer's dream, every pilot's courage, every soldier's silent vow. It will remind the world that independence is not given, it is built. The AMCA is not just a stealth fighter. It is a symbol of India's resolve to defend, to innovate, and to rise. And when it finally takes to the sky, invisible yet invincible, it will whisper the message of a new dawn, that the guardians of tomorrow's horizon are ready. And they fly under the banner of their own creation.